Hello, my name is Diana Enriquez, and I will present the Southwest Transit benchmark, the final team selection. The Southwest Transit Company opened in 2005, offering flights from California to connected states. To increase sales, the Southwest Transit Company is creating a marketing strategy project to launch and introduce a new aircraft and increase sales. This project is critical to maintain the job of hundreds of employees. The team selected should complete this project in 6 weeks, and the team should dedicate unpaid overtime to ensure timely completion. This presentation will provide an overview of the team and the important characteristics that influence the team selection. The final four. The final selected team members are experienced employees of the Southwest Transit Company. The personalities of these team members influence the selection. As per past research studies, personality traits impact an individual's performance and outcome of a project. There are 5 personality factors: conscientiousness, extraversion, neuroticism, agreeableness, and openness to experience. This is a brief overview of why these 4 members were selected to work on the project. William is one of the selected team members. He is motivated by challenges, and this project is a great challenge for him due to its impact to the company's sales and employment. William is a good team player with a positive attitude and perfectionist. He will impact his team positively and increase quality. Natalie is a natural leader with great communication skills. Like William, she is also motivated by challenges. She's also great at mitigating conflicts. Since this project has a tight deadline and will require overtime, conflicts will arise. Being able to reduce the risks of conflict will support overall team engagement. Michael was selected due to his positive attitude and experience as a team leader. Michael dives deep into processes or issues and is compassionate as well. Michael's characteristics are great in engaging team members and ensuring that all have a positive working relationship. The last selected team member is Elizabeth, and she is considered a great team player, good listener, and detail-oriented. Elizabeth has a history of meeting deadlines all the time, which will be great to ensure the project is completed and delivered within the required 6-week deadline. Team strengths and weaknesses. As per the evaluation of each team member's profiles, strengths and weaknesses were identified for the entire team. The strengths: experience in the field. All four team members have several years of experience working for Southwest Transit. This means that they understand their work's full scope and the requirements to ensure the company is successful. William and Elizabeth have 4 years of experience. Natalie has 2 years, and Michael has been in the company for 5 years. Quality and problem solving. Natalie always does a great job. Michael has strong analytical skills. He thinks tactically and strategically when addressing tasks. Elizabeth is a strong problem solver, detail-oriented, and likes to maintain high quality at work. Excellent communication. All team members have excellent communication skills. Natalie is an excellent communicator. Michael has strong communication skills. Elizabeth is a good listener and diplomatic. And William has a great face-to-face communication with peers. Experience leading teams and projects. The 4 team members have experience working in teams. For example, Michael, William, and Elizabeth are experienced team leaders, and they have experience coordinating teams to deliver results at required deadlines. The identified weaknesses. The following were identified as the team weaknesses: trust, competitiveness, inefficiency, and depression. Natalie is overly competitive. She has difficulty trusting her colleagues, and this creates a negative perception. Michael suffers from depression. This impacts his performance and he tends to abandon projects. Elizabeth is uncomfortable learning new skills that may impact a project. And William often has difficulty completing projects on time. Team potential. Individual performance is measured by the interpersonal and technical skills applied to deliver a task while promoting team collaboration. Members should be able to apply crucial skills to promote potential, such as conflict resolution, problem solving, communication, self-management, planning, and coordination. The selected team reflects the following characteristics to promote potential: effective communication, conflict resolution, problem solving, and efficiency. Since this is a diverse team members should recognize conflict and discourage it. The team should proactively encourage communication and activities that promote a positive and safe working environment to prevent lack of motivation and stress. Team members should be confident of their ability to perform and deliver tasks efficiently. Efficiency while collaborating in a team will promote team satisfaction and trust. During the project, team members need to use analytical and problem-solving skills to mitigate risks when face ambiguity. Motivation strategies. 2 motivation strategies will apply to this team: the equity theory and the ERG theory. The ERG theory focuses on the needs for existence, relentlessness, and growth concerning the employee's performance and motivation. Leaders should effectively lead employees to achieve the goals of the organization. Leaders should proactively understand their employees' weaknesses and strengths to provide direction effectively and a safety net to ensure deliverables. Michael suffers from depression, and this contributes to his lack of efficiency when delivering projects. It is important for his leaders to understand this characteristic to proactively approach it. Understand what clearly motivates employees is also important. For example, Natalie is motivated by challenges and competitive opportunities. As for Michael, his motivation is addressing complex tasks. Leaders should promote tasks and activities that motivate their employees to succeed. The 4 selected team members display different personalities and different approaches to tasks that they need to address. The equity theory emphasizes the fair treatment of an individual in relation to others. Their contributions must be recognized and they should receive the same support and resources as needed to accomplish the project. William has been in the company for over 40 years and he is nearing retirement. Recognizing his experience and contributions equally as the other team members in this project will motivate him. Natalie is the only member of the team with less experience. However, it is important to recognize her experience, contributions, and promoting this project as part of her growth opportunity. Conflict management strategies. Two potential conflicts could occur during the progress of the project: change and interpersonal differences. Change can trigger conflict due to uncertainty towards the outcome or changes towards opportunities and resources. In this case, changes in resources and deadlines can trigger conflict. The current project has a completion deadline of 6 weeks, and the selected team members are required to work unpaid overtime. If the project deadline is delayed, the team members will continue to work the extra hours. This can cause stress and fatigue. If the project changes to deliver in less than 6 weeks, limited resources will be available. There could be fewer team members and potentially fewer hours dedicated to the project and regular tasks. To address this conflict, it is important to use the de-escalation process by being empathetic, staying focused, and promoting win-win solutions. This technique also goes hand in hand with accommodating, empathetic to the team's concerns, and proactively find solutions to the conflict. Interpersonal differences can create conflict as well. Conflict can arise due to the interpersonal differences on factors such as motives, goals, or personality. As mentioned prior, the selected team members have different personalities and motivations. These characteristics can create conflict. For example, Natalie is overly competitive and it is difficult for her to trust peers. This can create conflict with some of her team members. Michael is passive aggressive when he faces conflict. This behavior may not be acceptable to team members. Promoting collaboration and compromising may help with addressing conflict due to interpersonal differences. The collaboration focuses on others' concerns and promotes problem solving to reach a mutual agreement. Leadership strategies. The leader members exchange model and the path goal theory are the two leadership strategies identified for ensuring success in this team. The leader member exchange model applies to the situation. This model refers to leaders' relations with their employees by having two specified groups, in-group and out-group. Since leaders have selected the 4 team members for the project, the team members will be part of the in-group model. The team members will receive a special request related to the project and will often report progress to leadership. These team members will reflect autonomy since they will be challenged with more and high-level responsibilities. The path goal theory refers to how leader behaviors lead towards the desired goals. And leaders reflect 4 types of behaviors: directive, supportive, goal-oriented, and participative. During this project's duration, the team leader should reflect the 4 types of leader behavior to ensure that the team members feel supported while reaching the project goals. The team conscious capitalism. Effective leadership is significant in an organization's success, which is mostly driven by conscious leaders. Conscious leaders focus on making impactful decisions for the teams instead of ensuring individual gain. The actions of a conscious leader go in hand with the tenet of stakeholder orientation. The impact of collaboration should drive leaders' influence and growth on employees, customers, and peers. During the progress of the Southwest Transit project, the team members should apply stakeholder orientation. The members should be conscious of how their actions will impact the project and its employees. They need to promote positiveness in the team and ensure that conflict is identified and mitigated. Each of the selected team members should display ethical behavior by promoting transparency and gain trust. A leader guided by ethical behavior makes decisions to benefit the employees and drive long-term impact and sustainable practices. There are several positive impacts that the project in question will bring to the Southwest Transit Company, like the increases in sales, securing the employment of employees, and providing a great customer service experience. However, the dedication and results that each team member will provide to the organization will create important values. The team will build relations while delivering results. And companies should promote exemplary customer services by ensuring its employees are motivated, knowledgeable, and promote collaboration around excellent customer service. This team will cultivate learning and curiosity by displaying autonomy and collaboration. This team will display a high commitment to drive change and deliver results. Throughout the project, the team members should create marketing strategies that promote continuous innovation. Importantly, the team should embrace servant leadership. Promoting servant leadership throughout the project will empower each team member to address ambiguity proactively, while positively influencing their peers, customers, and stakeholders. Thank you.